Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do three things today. Number one, help students find the secure browser or download it to their device. Number two, help students find their SSID number, which is needed to log in to take a test. And then third, I'm going to have you help you guys do your TOMS login. They want you to log in and change your password every year, so we'll go through that real quick. And that's probably the next thing you'll do after you teach kids how to download the secure browser. So this is the secure browser right here. So most students already have it on their Tustin Unified device. If they do not, and it's a Tustin Unified Surface Pro, you're going to have them go down into the Start menu down there and hit Start. And then they're going to go into Company Portal. And they're going to hit that. Company Portal has all the different apps that they might want to add on, and here it is, the secure browser. So they would click that, and then mine's already installed, so I don't need to install it, but they would click install, and it takes about a minute. So you can have them do that while you're meeting with them on a Zoom call. And then once it's installed, then you're going to want to have them log into it, and they'll need their first name. It's going to try to block me because I have other windows open right now. Yeah, so I'll get out of that. So they're going to need their first name and then their SSID number. And then when you generate a test session, you'll give them that as the teacher, their session ID. So I'm going to get out of there and I'm going to show you how to find a student's SSID number, which just stands for State Student ID Number. So if you go into any student's ARIES screen, it's right here, State Student ID Number. Just have them write that down on a piece of note paper, and they can keep that with them to log in each time for the tests. I'll also send those out with a big old mail merge email to all the students, but that's how to find that. Okay. If a student does not have a Tustin Unified device, they're going to need the link that I share with you. That's right here. And this is for like Macs or other personal devices. So they click that link, and this will give them instructions on how to download the secure browser to their own computer. So whether they have a Mac or an iPad or whatever it is they're using, it just gives them step-by-step instructions, and then they can use the secure browser that way. Just remember, and I'll give you more instructions on using the secure browser, but remember that kids cannot have anything else open while they're trying to log into the secure browser, or else it's not secure. So it's going to block them if they have any like Chrome or anything else open. All right, so now I'm going to go into, for you guys as teachers, how to reset your password. So you're going to go to CAASPP.org, CAASPP.org, and then this screen will come up, and you're going to go into this Test Operations Management System. Most of you guys are familiar with this. You click that, we call it TOMS, and then you put your email in there, and most of you are going to want to hit Forgot Password. They'll send you an email, and then you can reset your password, and that's how you go in and start a test session. And that's it for now. More info on setting up a test session to come. Thanks a lot.